the aim of this lesson is to provide an exciting explanation, a practical, exciting explanation why F is a sharp in the key of G major. This is our do. Which 1, 2, 3. This is the do. Okay. And it's finger 2. Re is here. And it's finger 4. So we have do, re, do, re. Okay. Mi is here and it's finger 1. Do, re, mi. Fa. Fa is here and it's finger 2. So is here and it's finger 4. Please comment on one thing you have learned so far. Thank you. La is here and it's finger 1. T is here and it's finger 3. Do, that's the upper do is here and it's finger 4. In summary, this is what we have here. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. And we are not going to stop there. We will continue. So we are going to continue the scale in horizontal plane. If the scale is going down this way, it's called vertical plane. But if the scale is going this way, it's called horizontal plane. We have a different video, a different lesson on vertical plane and horizontal plane. But for the sake of this lesson, we will be playing this G scale on horizontal plane. So we have a quick recap. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. On the comment section, please write horizontal play and vertical play so that you don't forget. So we continue. This becomes do and it now forms the second scale. Do, re, and finger 1. Do, re, mi, finger 3. Re, mi, fa. Fa is finger 4. Fa. Finger 2. So, la. La is finger 4. La, T is finger 1. And then do is finger 2. And if you observe, do, the least, that's the higher do is here in the scale of G. And then this is also do. So we are starting. You remember this is E open, this is E open. So it just makes sense that they will end up together. So let's play the whole scale using horizontal playing. Do, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, di, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. We are getting closer to explaining why the key of G has one sharp and what is that sharp in the key of G. And this musical knowledge is the foundation to so many things you will be learning later. So this foundation is very, very important and it will open a lot of possibilities. So let's stay on and let's enjoy. Let's name the keys. Let's name the our solfa. So this is do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti or si, do. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Once we end here, we start the second scale. Do, do, re. You know it's higher. Re, mi, fa, so, la. Sorry. It's la, not ti. Sorry. Ti, do. I always insist students should cross their T. So sometimes when I write my L, I have the temptation of crossing it. So this. Now let's look at the keys that make up why this one is arranged this way. Now, without touching, this string is E without touching. So it's E without touching. So once you touch here, is F sharp, G. So this is actually G. And it makes sense because we are playing the key of G. So G, G sharp. So A. You see that? So A, okay. So in the key of G, we can play A. Yes, that's what it means now. So here, the next string is A, open. So A sharp. So B. So that means in the key of G, there's B. Then C. Yes, in the key of G, there's C. So C, C sharp, D. Yes, in the key of G, there's D. So we go to the next. Without this open string is D. So once we press this becomes D sharp. So E. So in the key of G, there's E. So F sharp. So in the key of G, there's F sharp. After F sharp, then G. Of course, G. And if you watch, the G here is falling on Do. And the G here, the first one also fell on Do. So you can see the relationship. Do, Do. So this is Do, Do. You see? So now we are starting anew. Now without touching this third string is G. So once you touch it, here becomes G sharp. So A. So you see, we already have A again. It's being repeated. In any case, we're in the next state. So let's verify if they will fall, if what we have here will also be here, so that we know if there's two scales, octaves, we are okay, isn't it? So now, let's start from this G. We already have our Do here on G. So we are certified that G is correct. Okay. Now, we said this is G. G sharp A. So this is A. So they are already rhyming. So A sharp B. You see? This is B. After B is C. We can see that the two scales are actually the same thing. Only that this one is lower and this one is higher. So far. So let's continue verifying. So without touching this, this is B. Once we touch C, C sharp, D. So we have our D. After D, we have D sharp. Then E. You see? We have our E. So far it's verified. Now let's see the last one. We have E. So after E, we have F. After F, so it's F sharp. And after F sharp is G, which is our Do again. So this is why there is F sharp in the key of G. If you do not put that F sharp, the sound will not rhyme. Congratulations. The second, AA, they rhymed. BB, they rhymed. CC, they rhymed. DD, EE, FF, F sharp, and G. They all went together. So this is why this scale is this way. And it makes it easier for you to explain it to anybody. So in our next class, we'll also take the key of C, and explain. We're going to take all the keys one after the other and explain why this scale is this way. So that when we are playing, our scale is not just by mistake, it's by design. It's well designed and is well arranged. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, mi, do, re, mi, sol, la, ti. Please, on the comment section, write the key you want us to analyze. Write the key you want us to analyze on the comment section. So once we see the keys on the comment section, then we'll analyze it so that we move together. It becomes easy to start soloing once you have all this pattern. Joy to the world. It becomes easy to start soloing if you have the grip of this pattern and the way it is arranged. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive a king, let every year. From the comments you shared, some of us practice with our children. So this additional information is provided to assist you to assist the children have a very solid foundation in music. Thank you and have a good day. Drawing guitar notes is one of the most relaxing exercises that you can do. And it sharpens, especially for kids, it also sharpens their hands to do a lot of things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to do G, the scale of G. You know, the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do in G. And writing guitar notes is therapeutic. It, you know, it helps the kids, even in their mathematics class, to draw lines. It gives them, it helps them with a sense of measurement, a sense of the grid, and this is G major. We'll be doing the scale of G major, and looking at this, we know that this is the note. It means it is from fret 1 that we are going to write this G major. So writing the notes have been so helpful, especially for students who find it difficult remembering the notes. I discovered that once the students write the notes themselves, they hardly forget. They hardly forget. So I took it upon myself, that we are going to write the notes physically and help the kids. Most of the kids in class who find it difficult remembering notes, once the notes are written this way and they write it themselves, they are able to relate what they saw with what they are playing. And students are different. Some need to see first. Some need to write before they understand. Some need to just see, they will understand. So in order to cater for all our students, and especially when you're having challenges with a particular note, just get some time, write it out, and you'll see the difference. It has helped many students.